รากฐานที่แข็งแรงคือจุดเริ่มต้นของการเติบโต SAP Cloud ERP Private ทางเลือกใหม่ของธุรกิจเคมีและยาโดย Entity Data Business Solution
I'm Takefumi Sagara. I have been the Managing Director of Olic Thailand Limited since October 2025. My role is to set the strategic direction of the company and ensure sustainable growth, while consistently upholding the strict standards of quality, compliance, keeping the business running smoothly as required in the pharmaceutical industry. We are one of the leading pharmaceutical contract manufacturing companies in Southeast Asia. We are partnering with more than 30 global companies and producing over 500 SKUs for patients worldwide. Since joining the Fuji Pharma Group in 2012, we have continuously strengthened our technologies and raised our quality standards. Our core business includes formulation development, manufacturing, regulatory support, quality assurance, and logistics as a CDIMO company. With over 40 years of experience, Olic is committed to driving progress, inspiring healthier lives, and empowering people everywhere to move forward and moving together with trust. I value 4 key principles: growth, contribution, trust, and pride. Based on these principles, we aim for sustainable growth, strong partnerships, and a better future for our patients and clients. Lastly, I believe this will also help us embody the philosophy of the Fuji Pharma Group. Before moving to SAP S/4HANA Cloud, we had 3 main challenges. First, we didn't have real-time visibility. Most reports came only after the fact, which slowed our decisions. Second, we relied too much on manual work and spreadsheets. Our teams worked very hard, but these manual processes increased verification efforts and the risk of inconsistency. Third, management reports had to be pulled from different systems. So there were times when we were not sure which number was correct. For leadership, having confidence in the data is essential. The main reason for this change was to build a stronger foundation for the future, not just fix individual issues. We also needed building controls and clear traceability, so we could reduce manual checks and move toward more consistent governance. And we needed an ERP that truly supports end-to-end integration from finance and procurement to materials, planning, production, quality, and warehouse operations. Having everything connected in one system was essential for how we want to run the business going forward. We chose SAP S/4HANA Cloud for both strategic and operational reasons. Strategically, we wanted modern digital core that can support our business in the long term. SAP's strong integration gives us one reliable source of truth instead of separate data silos. Operationally, using a fit-to-standard approach helps us reduce complexity and avoid unnecessary customization which keeps the system more sustainable. It also gives us a clear roadmap to grow, whether it is analytics, automation, or future expansion without having to rebuild the foundation again. On financial closing, what we are already seeing is a stronger data structure and better posting control, which makes reconciliation and validation more systematic. That's the foundation for closing faster in a sustainable way. Management reporting. Now we are moving toward more standardized reporting with a stronger one version of the truth approach. The benefit isn't just speed. It's better decision making and more confidence. When leadership trusts the numbers, we spend less time debating the data and more time acting on it. In production planning, when demand shifts or material constraints come up, our teams can adjust plans in a more systematic way. The fact that production planning already shows 13 improved processes is a good sign that planning is benefiting from standardization, and we expect this impact to become clear as we continue to stabilize and optimize. One practical improvement is how cross-functional handoff work. In the past, some steps required follow-up, file exchanges, or manual checks. With clearer system flows, accountability is strong, status is easier to see, friction is lower, and rework goes down. From an IT perspective, moving to a cloud-based model reduces the burden of maintaining traditional infrastructure. More importantly, it lets IT focus on higher value work, things like security governance, integration, data quality, and continuous improvement. So the benefit isn't just fewer hours. It's using IT capability in a smarter ways. We chose NDBS Thailand because we wanted a partner who could support not only the technical implementation, but also help the organization manage the change successfully. They supported us in fit-to-standard alignment, change management, and go-live risk governance. In a regulated manufacturing environment, controlled execution and business continuity are essential, so that structured approach was very important for us.